Welcome from Nipigon. My name is Kasper Wabinski. I'm the CEO of Kasper Transportation. And today I got a treat for you. We're upgrading our Ford Transit fleet to all-wheel drive vehicles for your safety and the safety of our staff. Why? Just take a look. All the snow we got in the north. We got snowed out 5 Wednesdays in a row. And our roads are pretty much closed weekly due to road conditions. So we made the decision to spend the money and get better vehicles for your benefit and the comfort of your travel. So let's go check out our brand new vehicle and we'll see why it's so important.
Hey Kasper.
Hey Barrie.
How you doing?
Not bad. Nice to meet you finally.
Nice to meet you. You ready to go take a look at your brand new Transit?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Beautiful. What do you think? Nice color?
I think it's a nice color.
That's good. All right, we're here at Brennen Ford. We'll be talking about why we ordered the vehicle from Brennen Ford a little bit later on. But right now, I'm going to show you all the cool features that this vehicle has that the previous models did not have. So yeah, let's get to the first feature in the walk around from the driver's side. Emergency egress window. This window is a new requirement on all 2020s and up. If you want to have a bulkhead in the trunk to put more luggage in, you need to have a special emergency exit window that's optional. Let's move on to the next feature. Alloy wheels. They're lighter, more fuel efficient, and they also have a better comfort for the passengers riding inside. So we upgraded to alloy wheels. They're a lot cheaper to do when you order from the factory than they are if you have to order them later. Even though we're not planning on pulling any trailers, we do have a trailer hitch in case we need to help somebody get unstuck on road, or if we get stuck on the road in the snow somewhere, it's more like a towing hook for us and make the vehicle stronger in the back. Here's our old rims, lots of trunk space. We're going to be installing a bulkhead over here to allow more luggage, and we can legally do that because we have the emergency egress. And this is a 14-seater, Barrie? Plus driver?
I believe so, yeah.
Plus driver, but we don't put 14 people in, we only put like 10 for more room, more comfort. All right, check out the next feature. Well, actually, yeah. These open, that's kind of cool. We never use it, but it's kind of cool. You can always open the doors fully.
Yeah, drop the load anything back up to the door. Got the element.
That's right. It has backup sensors, parking features, right?
Yeah.
Tinted windows, backup camera. Hopefully no more dings from my drivers. Now this is interesting feature. The Fords I got in 2018 did not come with a pipe, even though it's legally required that a pipe on a passenger vehicle must stick out the edge of the body. Yeah, the last dealership had to install it aftermarket to be compliant.
I actually wasn't part of that.
Alright, so we got the privacy windows, and the cool feature that I was so excited about is the automatic door openers. You can click it twice. You can open it from the inside so the driver doesn't have to run around to open the doors, which makes it more comfortable for the passengers to get off the bus when they're rushed to get to a bathroom. Alright, yeah, there's no bathrooms on this board, so that's why we need that. Alright, so let's check out the inside. The seats are a little bit different than the normal ones. You got the cup holders, USB chargers. Yeah, this is the handle for the emergency door exit. Yeah, you got some single seats, double seats, and the back bench is 4 seats. So if you have a family with 2 kids, it's comfortable. Got all the lights here. And yeah, you gotta come in here and check out the dash. That's the newest upgrade too. Look at that computer we got. So all of our vehicles are fully loaded because it's obviously cheaper to do it once up front than to do all these modifications later. A lot of these features you cannot install later, and like having the integrated navigation with 360 cameras and all that kind of stuff just makes it for a better experience for our customers and for our drivers. Our drivers are spending 10, 11, 12 hours a day in the vehicle. So yeah, it's important for us that our drivers are happy our drivers are comfortable and just make their day that much easier. Take a little bit less pressure off of them so that yeah, they can focus on driving and not worrying about, you know, little things here and there, like, you know, USB chargers and music or entertainment and stuff like that. This vehicle does have active cruise control, right? It has automatic HID lights. No, it has the regular lights, but they're dimming, auto dimming lights. So that makes it nice and easy when you're passing traffic. And it's all-wheel drive. That's also like still the coolest feature. All right, so let's go for a spin. Let's see if we can see how it rides. Let's check out the 360 camera. Look at that. No more dings.
Easy to get in and out of spots. You know how far you are away from everyone. You can see people coming behind you, beside you.
So what is this feature here? Park. Oh yeah, navigate to parking. Oh, I see. So will this actually automatically park?
It's just gonna find you parking.
Oh, I see. For the vehicle size. Yeah. Oh, I see. And then we got the cameras here when we're driving. We got our winter features. That's the defrost. What's this for?
Is there anything showing up on there? I'm actually not sure what this button is.
Oh, they limited to 70, eh? Oh, no, that's just...
No, that's showing you the speed limit sign for the area that we're in.
I see another little thing that...
So what you're hitting right now, this should be your drive modes. So right now, it should be showing...
Snow road?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got our settings, trip, my view, navigation, no phone devices, settings. Let me see, let's just go settings, check that out. Driver assistance, let's check that out. Traction control, blind spot. Oh yeah, I like blind spot. No trailer, blind spot is so nice. Pre-collision assist, alert sensitivity, distance indicator. Oh, I love that. Speed sign recognition. Okay, cool. Oh, hold on, did I miss it? Active speed warning, yeah, of course. I'll give him like 5 kilometer room. Lane keep assist, I love that. Helps you stay in the lane. Well, that kind of warns you if you're tired. Cross traffic alert, cruise control, adaptive. Oh, I love adaptive cruise control. Yeah, I love all these features. Heated seats, it has heated seats.
Comfort for the drivers.
It got all the USB plugs. Oh, see, it got USB-C chargers, 12 volt. This is why I want these so bad. There's nothing else in the market that gives you that kind of comfort. We got trailer brake control, auxiliary switch. This is my rocket launchers. When I see my competition. All right, Barry, thank you very much for hooking us up with the vehicles.
Yeah, no problem. Glad we were able to help you out, find what you needed. And hopefully we can keep helping you out in the future.
There's another one coming next month, and then we're going to have to try to order more. The allocations are hard to get, but it's going to take some time to upgrade the whole fleet.
A little bit more slow going than normal, but you know, we do what we can, and hopefully Ford keeps plugging them out for us and keep getting them rolling in for you.
So if you need a vehicle and you're struggling to find a truck, not every dealer has allocations, or you know, maybe you're looking for a dealer to work with. I really enjoy working with Brennen. I like to support dealers within the region, even though we're based in Thunder Bay. And yeah, Barry was very cooperative with all my requests and changes, and fully loaded options are hard to get. So yeah, I highly recommend Brennen Ford. And yeah, we'll look forward to getting another 3 after this.
Yeah, well, keep them coming. And for anyone out there that's looking for a vehicle, don't hesitate to give us a shout. You know, we're just an hour outside of Thunder Bay, and we're We're competitive as anyone else, so if you need anything, don't hesitate to give us a call. Number here is 807-887-2034.
Thanks a lot, Barrie.
No problem. Thank you.